To edit text in CapCut, start by opening the app and selecting the project you want to work on. Tap the Add Text button, which is usually represented by a T icon. To begin the text editing process, choose a text style or template from the available options, or select a blank text box to start from scratch. Type in your desired text, and it will appear on the screen. You can then adjust the font, size, color, and alignment of the text using the various options provided at the bottom of the screen. Experiment with different font styles and sizes to find the one that best suits your project. To further customize your text, you can add effects such as shadows, outlines, or gradients. These effects can be accessed by tapping the effects icon, which is usually represented by a magic wand or a star. Once you have made the desired changes, you can adjust the position and duration of the text on the timeline. Tap and hold the text box to move it to a different position, or drag the edges of the text box to change its duration. You can also animate your text by tapping the Animate button, which is usually represented by a play icon. Choose from a variety of animation styles, such as fade in, slide in, or typewriter, to add visual interest to your text. Finally, preview your edited text by tapping the play button, and make any necessary adjustments before exporting your final project. By following these steps, you can effectively edit text in CapCut and create engaging and professional-looking videos.